Hi friends, welcome back to Jainfo channel. Guys, if you know the answers for any question, please comment below. Which pair of ocean currents meet each other near Newfoundland? Answer: Gulf Stream and Labrador. It is a cold current in the North Atlantic Ocean which flows from the Arctic Ocean south along the coast of Labrador and passes around Newfoundland, continuing south along the east coast of Canada near Nova Scotia. This cold water current meets the warm northward moving Gulf Stream. Next question. Which amendment curtailed the power of judicial review of the Supreme Court and the High Courts? Answer: 42nd. The 42nd Amendment of the Constitution of India, officially known as the Constitution Act 1976, was enacted during the emergency 25th June 1975 to 21st March 1977 by the Indian National Congress government headed by Indira Gandhi. Next question. Where was the first session of the Constituent Assembly held? Answer: New Delhi. The Constituent Assembly met for the first time in New Delhi on 9 December 1946 in the Constitution Hall, which is now known as the Central Hall of Parliament House. Next question. Who decides the number of judges in a High Court? Answer: President. In every High Court, there is a Chief Justice and many other judges whose number is defined by the President of India. Appointment of the judges. The Chief Justice of a High Court is appointed by the President with the consultation of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and the Governor of the state. Next question. What is the minimum permissible age for employment in any factor or mine? Answer: 14 years. The minimum permissible age employment in any factory or mine is 14 years. The Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act in 1986 ensures the safety of the child below 14 years for certain employment areas. Next question. When was the Madras state renamed Tamil Nadu? Answer: in 1969. After Indian independence on 26 January 1950, it was formed as Madras state by the Government of India. As a result of the 1956 States Reorganization Act, the state's boundaries were reorganized. The state was finally renamed as Tamil Nadu on 14 January 1969 by C.N. Anandorai, Chief Minister. Next question. Which of the following is good nuclear fuel? Answer: Plutonium-239. It is the best nuclear fuel used in breeder reactors. It requires an initial charge of fissile material such as plutonium. Next question. What will be if a pendulum clock be taken from the Earth to a revolving artificial satellite? Answer: it will stop altogether because inside the satellite the pendulum doesn't oscillate. Hence, a pendulum watch cannot be used in an artificial satellite. Next question. Which is not essentially a species of the Himalayan vegetation? Answer: mahogany. Mahogany is a species of tree found throughout the Caribbean, Central and South America, not in Himalayas. Next question. Where will be the time period in a vibration magnetometer infinite? Answer: at magnetic pole. Time period in vibration magnetometer. You can see the formula, and based on this, t equal to infinity, so time period will be infinite at magnetic poles. Next question. Which is the secondary source of light in a fluorescent lamp? Answer: mercury vapor. Fluorescent lamps work by ionizing mercury vapor in a glass tube. This causes electrons in the gas to emit photons at UV frequencies. The UV light is converted into standard visible light using a phosphor coating on the inside of the tube, and this acts as a secondary sources of light. Next question. Which set of countries are completely surrounded by land? Answer: Mongolia, Zambia, and Bolivia. A landlocked country or landlocked state is a sovereign state that doesn't have territory connected to an ocean. A landlocked country is defined as a country that is completely surrounded by land. Next question. The Maratha power reached the zenith of its glory during which reign? Answer: Shivaji. Under the administration of the Peshwas and with the support of several key generals and diplomats, the Maratha Empire reached its zenith, ruling most of the Indian subcontinent. Next question. During which reign did both Vardhaman Mahavira and Gautam Buddha preach their doctrines? Answer: Bimbisara. Bimbisara was a famous Indian king of the Magadha kingdom in ancient India. He was well administrative king. His capital was Rajgriha, later changed to Pataliputra. He maintained cordial relations with neighboring kingdoms and Indian kings. Next question. Which union territory attained statehood in February 1987? Answer: Goa. Administratively, the territory was divided into three districts: Goa, Daman, and Diu, with the capital at Panjim. On 30th May 1987, Goa was conferred statehood and Daman and Diu was made a separate union territory. Next question. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Answer: Vice President. The Vice President of India is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. He is elected by an electoral college consisting of members of both houses of parliament in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of the single transferable vote, and the voting in such election is by secret ballot. Next question. In which year was the Constituent Assembly, which framed the Constitution for Independent India, set up? Answer: in 1946. The Constituent Assembly was constituted in November 1946 under the scheme of Cabinet Mission Plan. The Cabinet Mission, consisting of three members, Lord Lawrence, Sir Stafford Cripps, and A.V. Alexander, arrived in India on March 1946 and published the Cabinet Mission Plan on May 1946. The first meeting of Constituent Assembly was held on December 9, 1946. Next question. Which UN agency has its headquarters at Paris? Answer: UNESCO. UNESCO, abbreviation United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, is a specialized agency of the United Nations established in 1946 with its headquarters in Paris, France. Next question. Who commanded the Maratha army in the Third Battle of Panipat? Answer: Sadashivarao Bhau. The Marathas, under the command of Sadashivarao Bhau, responded by gathering an army of between 45k to 60k, which was accompanied by roughly 2 lakh non-combatants, a number of whom were pilgrims desirous of making pilgrimages to Hindu holy sites in northern India. Next question. When was Exim Bank set up? Answer: in 1982. Exim means Export-Import Bank of India, is a specialized financial institution wholly owned by Government of India, set up in 1982 for financing, facilitating and promoting foreign trade of India. Next question. By which transfer of genetic information from one generation to the other is accomplished? Answer: DNA. Genetic information carried in the DNA can be transferred from one cell to another. Next question. Lichens and mosses are characteristic vegetation of which zone? Answer: the polar zone. The polar tundra occurs almost exclusively in the Arctic region. Next question. Which European country borders Atlantic Ocean? Answer: Portugal. It is located in southwestern Europe. It is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean and Spain to the north and east. Next question. Why is the water of Holy Ganges River is pure? Answer: due to presence of bacteriophages. Bacteriophages are viruses that infect bacteria, and due to their bactericidal ability, they are also known as bacteria eater. It is found out that numbers of bacteriophages in Ganga is more than 3 times than the other rivers, and that makes the Ganga more unique, antibacterial and therapeutic. The last question. Mahatma Gandhi gave the call do or die during which movement? Answer: Quit India movement. Quit India movement. Under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, people across India came together to uproot British imperialism. In 1942, in a fairy speech in Mumbai, Mahatma Gandhi gave a do or die call to the people of India in a final push to make the British quiet. Thanks guys for encouraging these general knowledge videos. Keep watching.